Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative product that can unleash your inner artisan, the stainless steel bath bomb molds. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these molds? The stainless steel bath bomb molds are a set of 12 high-quality semicircular molds designed specifically for creating bath bombs, soaps, and a variety of other delightful DIY projects. Each set comes with 4 molds in 3 different sizes: large at 6.5 centimeters or 2.55 inches, medium at 5.5 centimeters or 2.16 inches, and small at 4.5 centimeters or 1.77 inches. This diverse sizing allows you to craft bath bombs that fit your preferences, whether you like them big and luxurious or small and cute. One of the standout features of these molds is their ease of use. Unlike plastic molds that can sometimes warp or break, these stainless steel molds are sturdy and durable, ensuring that your creations come out perfectly every time. They are equally easy to clean, just a quick wash, and they're ready for your next project. No more worrying about residue or stubborn messes sticking to your molds. Now, who exactly would benefit from these molds? If you're a DIY enthusiast, a crafter, or someone who enjoys making homemade gifts, these molds are perfect for you. They are also great for parents looking to engage their kids in fun, hands-on activities. And let's not forget about those who want to explore natural and organic skincare options by creating their own soaps and bath products. But the versatility of these molds doesn't stop at bath bombs. You can use them to make an array of delightful treats. From chocolate and bread to pudding and even ice cubes, the possibilities are nearly endless. Imagine crafting bath fizzies infused with essential oils for a relaxing soak, or creating unique soaps to pamper your friends and family. You can even whip up fun-shaped ice cubes for your summer drinks. In conclusion, the stainless steel bath bomb molds are not just a tool, they are an invitation to creativity and relaxation. Whether you're creating for yourself or looking to craft thoughtful gifts, these molds provide you with the flexibility and durability you need for all your DIY projects. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.